So guys, welcome to our channel once again. In today's video on our JAMB CRK exam revision series, we have here this one repeated question to answer on the topic Holiness and Divine Call. So guys, this video will be about the call of Gideon. So in short, stay till the end of this video. Let's go ahead and check out the question together here. It says, what did Gideon call the altar which he built to the Lord? We have A, Jehovah Jireh. B, the Lord is great. C, the Lord is merciful. D, the Lord is peace. So guys, the answer to this question is option D here, the Lord is peace. And that's it for this question. So this is where we'll end this video for today, guys. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're not a subscriber. Also, if you have any specific question regarding this video, you can drop your question in the comment section below and we're sure to give you a response. So finally, guys, I want to encourage you to join our YouTube channel community where we post major updates on JAMB examinations. So you can join this channel community by hitting the join button below and we'll see you right there. Thank you once again for watching this video. See you on the next one.